How do we ensure quality in each pack of Pran food? Come, let's have a look and you can see for yourself how we make your favorite Pran food products. But before we go in, we must follow some strict hygiene guidelines provided set by the good manufacturing practice. A sterile sanitization station provides all the necessary equipment. Our food products follow these simple steps. Let's get to know them. We begin with raw material sourcing. Our raw materials are sourced from highly reputable sources who also maintain the hygiene protocols set by the good manufacturing practice. Global safety standards are maintained and strict quality check is performed on them every time. Now, let's move on to blending. The ingredients are now mixed, blended together. Proper proportions are maintained in every process. This ensures taste, quality, safety, and also the standard of each and every product. Let's familiarize ourselves with the processing part. The mixed ingredients are processed through several steps. Through these steps, the final product is given their form before they are sent to be packaged. You have seen the care and consideration we put into making your favorite Pran food products. To ensure the quality remains intact, we use technologically advanced packaging to deliver the product in its best form. Throughout the entire process, automation, state-of-the-art technology, and strict protocols ensure that no hands come into contact with the food. Now that the final product has been created, that does not mean our work is done. We now have to carefully manage the massive logistical challenge of sending them to their destination. The factory is equipped with ETP plants to decontaminate the used water. This protects our environment and returns the balance of nature. This is how we strive every day to bring you the best of Pran for your daily life.